Hello, I'd like to welcome you to the Machine Tool program here at Madison Area Technical College. My name is Jake Stotts. I'm a program director here along with Harley Vongen. You can see our information here on the screen. Been here about 12 years. Harley's been here a little bit longer than that. We won't get into the details. But we are the program directors, but there's a vast array of faculty that do the majority of the work. Those faculty are going to be obviously the main shop instructors. In first year you have Harley Vongen, you have Mike Kirschner, and in second year you have Steve Mishler. And they'll be your instructors that will walk you through the majority of the content. There will be specific specialized content as well, and that'll be done by a couple other instructors, Lonnie Lingard and myself. Lonnie will teach the first year CNC stuff and a lot of related content, whereas my specialty is more the CAD CAM and the second year CNC. We have a couple lab coordinators that will walk you through anything out in the shop that you need help with. Drew and Mike, they basically keep the day-to-day processes in the lab functioning and working and doing all the dirty work that we don't get to. They're lifesavers for getting everything done for us. The facilities, as of right now, are not open, obviously, but we have extremely good facilities at the school. And in the fall, we'll be back in there. We'll be able to get on all this equipment. Some of the things that we start out with is in the first year, we'll start out with sawing, cutting blocks out, learning all that stuff. Get into drill presses, milling machines, lathes, and we'll kind of progress into the second year where it gets into the mainly CNC structured type stuff. As you can see here, some of the pieces of equipment, and these aren't just photoshopped in. This is our shop and how well maintained and clean everything is. In the second year, we'll get into some of these more advanced projects, as you can see here. One of these is an injection molding machine. Another one is some wire EDM type stuff, and some, you can see the Lego blocks there just done on a CNC milling machine. Here's some examples of some of the churning center components that we'll be making. Again, this is second year type stuff, but even in the first year you'll get on the CNC equipment. And then last picture here kind of just showing some of the CAM processes. Now CAM is your computer-aided manufacturing, so you'll pull things into a computer system and you'll program it and actually be able to cut it right out on the machine. The program has many scholarship opportunities and reimbursement opportunities from employers. Most students after the first semester will probably be hired. If not the first semester, will be hired after the first year. And the employers in the area are very good at actually reimbursing you for your education. So if you get a C or better in your classes, most of the companies will give you a check and pay you back for the education you've taken because it's directly benefiting them. And that's about it. I just wanted to give you a little update on our system and how everything's going, and we'll see you in the fall.